Hello children, and how are you today? It was a bit chilly again today, hey? Well, that's what you get when you're in winter. So we're going to read a book called One Windy Day by Pippa Goodhart. It looks like it's a little book. One windy day. The windy day, the wet day, the warm day. Okay. This is the windy day. What a windy day, said Miss Chutney as she hung out her washing. Whoops! Off flew one sock, then two. I suppose you do want the wind to dry your washing, hey? But not when your socks go flying off the line. The socks went swooping on the wind. They flew over to the wood. One landed on squirrel, flap. One landed on mouse, flop. Oh, just what I need, said squirrel, a hat. A sleeping bag to keep me warm, said mouse. Right. The wind blew and blew. Off flew more of Miss Chutney's washing. It all went into the wood. Look at me! Nice and cozy. So all the washing is flying off the line and it's flying onto the animals. It got dark. The wind blew under Miss Chutney's door. Phew! Miss Chutney was cold without her blanket. Shiver, shiver. But the animals and the birds were warm and in and on the big tree in the wood. So all the animals were very warm, but poor Miss Chutney, she was terribly cold. Phew! The wind blew harder. The big tree began to creak. Creak, creak, crash, smash. The tree fell. Oh no, now we have nowhere to live. Right. Mouse and squirrel and owl and fox went up the hill. Knock, knock. Whose door are they knocking on? They're knocking on Miss Chutney's door, hey? Soon nobody was cold anymore because they were all living with her. Look there, they're all living by her. The wet day. Split, splat. It was a wet day outside and inside Miss Chutney's house. Oh no, the roof has got a hole in it, said Miss Chutney. Can you see the water coming into the house there? Have any of you ever had that before? Oh, it's terrible. They must be so cold and they might need a bucket. Crash! Some of the roof fell on the floor. Split, splat, splotch. Oh, I haven't got any money to pay a builder to fix it, said Miss Chutney. Now I have nowhere to live. Oh no. Poor Granny. Don't worry, said Fox. We will all help to get the money to pay for a new roof. You helped us, we will help you. Yes, we will, said the little mouse. Oh, isn't that helpful of them? They're so kind. Well, she did take them in, hey? On the windy day, so they're going to help her on the wet day. We can sell things, said Owl. Fox and Squirrel took Miss Chutney's furniture outside, and Mouse made a sign. For sale. Oh, they're selling her furniture. I thought they were going to work. Now they're just selling her furniture. Okay, do you know about this? Nobody wanted to buy anything. Would you like to buy this old chair? No, it's broken. It's all tatty. Oh dear. Poor Miss Chutney, her furniture's not even selling. Don't worry, said Squirrel. We will make it all nicer. So she tried to sell her furniture, but people said no, it's broken. Mouse and Squirrel and Owl and Fox set to work. They were painting and fixing. Soon everybody wanted to buy things. Miss Chutney had enough money to pay her builder. So she's now sold all of her furniture. Okay, let's see how this is going to work out. There was even enough money left over to pay for some buns for tea. Hooray! It's even better than it was before. So the house is really looking good and they're having a nice picnic. The warm day. Miss Chutney and Mouse and Owl and Fox and Squirrel had a nice house to live in. But it was an empty house. Exactly. What can we sit on? Now they've got a beautiful house with no furniture. What can we sit on? We must make new furniture, said Miss Chutney. I've got an idea, follow me. So Miss Chutney took out some tools and off they went into the woods. Okay. We will make your old home into things for your new home, Miss Chutney told the animals. They all set to work again. Fox made bowls and cups. Miss Chutney cut logs to make a table and stools. The sun shone and Miss Chutney sang, "Seesaw, seesaw, let's make some more." So it looks like everything's working out okay, hey? Squirrel and Mouse wove hammocks for beds. Owl made a broom to sweep the house clean. I do like a good hammock. Look at that. That does look cozy, hey? Starting to see the plan was working. Miss Chutney put soil into a pot. Then she put in something else. "What is that?" said Mouse. What did she put in the pot? It's a seed. Seeds need soil and water and sunshine. Then it will grow into a new tree, said Miss Chutney. When it is big enough, we will plant it in the wood where the old tree was. So she cut down a tree to make furniture, and she's replacing the tree with a new tree. She's going to grow a new tree. So she's quite environmentally friendly. Okay. That made Mouse and Fox and Owl and Squirrel and all the birds and animals very happy. And Miss Chutney was happy too. So they've become one big happy family. You see, they're not part of the same family. Like the animals are part of the animal family and she's part of the human family. But sometimes people from different families can get together and become family, hey? And they're working very well as a team and seem to have set up a lovely home together. Okay, children, you must sleep tight and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.